Carrying the white flag, a gesture of peace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to delve into an intriguing phrase that you might have come across: carrying the white flag. This expression has a rich history and a powerful meaning, which we'll uncover together. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey and find out what it truly means to carry the white flag. The phrase, carrying the white flag, has its roots in history and warfare. Traditionally, a white flag is a universal symbol of truce and surrender. It signals to the opposing side that one wishes to stop fighting and negotiate for peace. The use of a white flag dates back to centuries ago and is recognized globally across different cultures and conflicts. In modern times, the phrase, carrying the white flag, transcends its literal battlefield context. It's now used metaphorically to indicate giving up, seeking peace, or showing a willingness to reconcile after a dispute. When someone says they are carrying the white flag, it means they are ready to put aside differences and work towards a resolution. It's a gesture of goodwill, indicating one's desire to end a conflict or avoid further confrontation. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday conversations and writings. 1. In a personal dispute, after arguing for hours, I decided to carry the white flag and apologize to my friend. 2. In business negotiations, the company carried the white flag and agreed to the terms proposed by their partners. 3. In international relations, the two countries are finally carrying the white flag and discussing ways to resolve their long-standing issues. These examples show that carrying the white flag is about seeking peace and reconciliation, irrespective of the context. Understanding phrases like carrying the white flag not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural and historical nuances of the English language. It's a powerful expression that embodies the human desire for peace and harmony. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you'll carry the white flag into your conversations, signaling understanding and goodwill wherever you go. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together.